just saw this video that apparently you can take a carrot, stuff it inside a chicken to hide those veggies in your food. Let's give it a try. See, does it actually work? And can you do this at home? So over here, as you can see, I have 2 chicken breasts. Now this kind of looks like something that my parents would maybe try when I was younger, because I was a very picky eater as a kid who did not want to eat vegetables. So my parents had to find ways to sneak it in. They never did this, but maybe they should. So watch, just take your knife if you're getting close, and you just want to cut a slit in that chicken. Just go in there, make yourself a nice hole right in there, because we want to be able to fit in our carrot. Now there's no need to peel the outside of the carrot. It's perfectly healthy and delicious. People really just do it for the aesthetic. There you go. Now just stuff that carrot right into the chicken. Look at that. Kind of the end sticks out, and then you're just going to take this, and this is going to go straight into the air fryer. Look at that. Now in the recipe, that in the video, they baked it in the oven, but there's no reason you can't do it in the air fryer. So watch, getting close again. Just take your knife, you're gonna go right through the chicken, just cut around, give yourself a little bit of room, and then take your carrot, and now look at that. Carrot just goes straight into the chicken. Now sometimes it doesn't fit, so you just have to kind of adjust. Oh God, yep. Oh, we're having a little issue over here. Let's try another hole. Yep, okay. Carrot goes right in. You can now sneak in your veggies. Look at that. No one will know there's a carrot in there, just like that. Then they kind of just immediately put a sauce in them of a little bit of barbecue sauce, so just onto there. Then I'm just going to follow that up with also a little bit of garlic powder, sprinkle all over the top, really kind of whatever makes you happy. This is a little bit of chicken seasoning, and now just rub that all over the chicken. And look at that. It's supposed to be like a very easy way to make a chicken dinner, you know, just all right here in the air fryer. Now don't hate on me, I can already hear the comments. Oh my God, why are you doing this? Don't air fry it. Why not? Right now this is fat-free, there's no oil in there, so I'm just gonna give that a nice spray of some nonstick spray. That'll just help us get a little bit more golden brown action right in there. Let's turn on our air fryer. Air fry at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect. Start. That should take about 15 to 20 minutes. All right, this has been cooking for quite a while, and it looks absolutely incredible. Just take this right out of here. Oh my God, I have like those little tails. My dog Ernie is freaking out. He can smell the chicken. I know. Maybe I'll give you a little piece once it cools down. It's a little too hot for you right now. Now, let's just grab our knife and cut into there, and look at that. It's gonna be the perfect portion of protein from the chicken. Wow, you can hear all that noise from my dog freaking out, with a little bit of carrot right on the inside. You know, just sneak a little bit of veggie into that chicken. You know, a way to get some more health and wellness into your diet, just like that. You can cut this one up as well. Look at that. Okay, beautiful. Look at that. Carrot is perfectly cooked, chicken is perfectly cooked. It really comes together, I'm telling you. This recipe is cuckoo bananas crazy. I'm gonna cut myself a nice little piece, and let's give this a try. Oh wow. Okay, that's good. I love the chicken and the carrot together. It's kind of delicious. Verdict is, I think it's a great little hack. I'm enjoying it. Let me give a little piece without any sauce to Ernie. Ernie, what do you think? Ooh, he loves it. Popular with humans and dogs.